Y'all, we lost 2 barn kitties over the last week. And it's such a mystery. This is Ranger. And that's precious little Xena up there. We originally assumed that Maggie May, the dairy cow, had stepped on them. I was completely brokenhearted and mad at Maggie May. I threatened to take her to the butcher. Now we think it may have been Comanche, just playing with them. When he was young, we didn't have the time to train him properly, so he may have killed them playing with them. They were precious, and boy, I'm going to miss them playing in the barn. The barn is awful lonely now. Rest in peace, sweet kitties.